The question of the day for me was, John, should I get married? And sometimes, with lawyers, we have to follow up with another question to really dig in a little more to provide a proper answer. Because, as lawyers say, it depends. Well, my follow up question is like, well, who is this person? Are you seeing anyone? Are you dating? To really understand how serious that relationship is. It turns out it's more like chit chatting, not even dating yet. Just having a couple conversations, kind of deal. And yeah, with a lot more people expressing empathy and feeling bad about the ICE arrest, the bounty hunters, and all that, people might extend a hand and say like, you know what, like we've known each other for quite a while. You know what? I'm a U.S. citizen. Why not? We get married. I'll help you out. And of course, y'all know this if you watch a live show, which by the way, go ahead and click the plus sign and click the bell for future notifications when I go live. But some people say like, oh yeah, it's no big deal. Like I've helped someone else before. Ooh, well, that's obviously a red flag. But you don't, it should also be a red flag even if you're not paying that person. But again, if you watch my live shows, I talk about this from time to time. Like, do not pay anyone for papers, okay? But you also don't want to get married to someone that's a friend only. Um, because just to give you a quick scenario, and I'm not making this stuff up. I listen to y'all stories. Someone says like, "Oh yeah, I got married to this person. They said they were gonna help me out, but something happened. I got the interview notice, and they didn't want to go to the interview." And everyone knows. Y'all watch the live show. Y'all know both people have to go to the interview, and maybe that friend really didn't understand, but they're not invested in your legal status. They say they'll help, but I don't think they understand the full extent of what help means. Okay, they have to show up to the interview. There's a lot more to it, obviously, but fortunately, we don't accept those kind of cases. We want true love, so we don't accept fake cases, even if you did not pay for it. So no, we're not a type of law firm here at Green Card Guys that would advise you to get married to someone when you're not in a serious relationship. Okay, time and time again, we receive these questions, and we want to tell y'all the truth, provide transparency. That if you marry someone like a friend, sometimes it backfires. That's what we hear. And some of you might think, well, it's no big deal. If they just back out eventually, I'll just like withdraw the case. Well, USCIS will ask about your prior cases. That's exactly what they're doing this year. And they even asked the U.S. citizen sponsor like how they got status because they want to double check on that as well. My name is John Ting. I practice immigration law in the United States to help you secure legal status to live and work in America legally because the government does not care. But we do here at Green Card Guys. So if you appreciate this information, go ahead and bookmark and save this. If you have a case already, go ahead and comment your experience, your situation, and click the plus sign and follow so you receive notifications when I go live. Because I provide trends and answer questions at no cost to you.